Lisbon feels like a warm hug. Every corner tells a story, and every street hums a tune. The air is a mix of pastries, river breezes, and guitar notes drifting from afar. Lisbon moves at its own pace, inviting you to slow down and enjoy the moment. It's a city where ancient castles look down on modern cafés, and historic trams roll past lively street art. This mix of old and new gives Lisbon its unique character. Walking through Lisbon is like flipping through a living history book. The cobblestone alleys of Alfama whisper tales of the past, while Fado shines with elegance. The city's history is felt in its old buildings, its fancy tiles, and its warm smiles. The people of Lisbon are its heart, showing both saudade, a deep longing, and a joy for life. They come together to share food, laughter, and happiness, celebrating the simple joys of life. It's a culture of connection and community, a place where life is truly enjoyed. Lisbon knows how to enjoy life, and it invites you to do the same. To truly understand the soul of Lisbon, you just have to listen to Fado, its deep, emotional music. In a dimly lit tavern, a singer's voice fills the room with passion and a feeling of saudade. Born in Lisbon's working-class neighborhoods, Fado tells stories of love and longing. It's a living tradition, passed down through generations, connecting the past and the present. A Fado night, with its cozy performances in small restaurants, is something you won't forget. The unique sound of the Portuguese guitar perfectly matches the singer's heartfelt voice. Locals and visitors alike are touched by the music's beauty and its powerful, cleansing feeling. Fado is a cultural bridge, a reminder of shared feelings and history. It's like a conversation with the city itself about finding beauty even in life's sadness. Experiencing Fado in Lisbon is essential. It's a deep dive into the city's heart. The music goes beyond language, speaking directly to your soul. It's a tradition that brings people together, a shared cultural moment. Fado isn't just for tourists. It's a vital part of Lisbon's identity. The power of the music lies in its ability to stir up deep emotions. It reminds us of where we come from and the feelings that connect us. Listening to Fado is like having a meaningful conversation with Lisbon. It's an experience that stays with you even after the music stops. Lisbon's festivals are its joyful heart, with the Santo António festival leading the way. In June, the city honors its patron saint with lively celebrations. The streets are decorated with colorful garlands and the smell of grilled sardines fills the air. Neighborhoods like Alfama host street parties, called arraios, with music and dancing. The festival brings the city together in celebration, mixing religious tradition with pure fun. The St. Anthony weddings add another layer to the spirit of love and community. The energy is electric, with people of all ages coming together to dance and share. It's a time when Lisbon turns into one big family, full of joy and connection. The festival shows off Lisbon's lively, real spirit. Get ready to eat sardines and dance until the morning. In Lisbon, food isn't just food. It's a story of history, family, and who they are. Pastel de nata, a creamy custard tart, is a beloved treat with a secret recipe. Bacalhau, or salted cod, is a national dish with countless ways to make it. Grilled sardines, especially during festivals, capture the true feeling of a Lisbon summer. Meals are all about getting together, where families gather for long, happy feasts. Food is the glue that holds the community together, a celebration of life itself. Lisbon's food traditions are a taste of its rich history and culture. The city's food scene is a mix of old and new, with flavors that tell a story. Eating in Lisbon is an experience of connection and joy. The simple pleasures of a meal shared with loved ones are precious. Lisbon's food is a reflection of its people, warm, welcoming, and full of life. Each dish is a piece of the city's soul, inviting you to taste and enjoy. A food journey in Lisbon is a trip full of discovery and delight. It's a taste of the city's heart and a celebration of its lively culture. A perfect day in Lisbon starts with coffee at a pastelaria and a pastel de nata. The morning is a moment of simple pleasure, setting the tone for the day. Exploring the city means riding the iconic tram 28, a moving landmark. Wander through picturesque neighborhoods, discovering hidden gems. As the sun begins to set, head to a miradouro for breathtaking views of the city. The golden light bathes Lisbon in a magical glow, a moment to savor. Evening brings a different energy, with dinner and music in Alfama. Experience Fado in an intimate setting, immersed in Lisbon's culture. The day ends with a sense of fulfillment, having embraced the city's soul. Lisbon's charm lies in its simple pleasures and beautiful sights. The city's rhythm invites you to slow down and enjoy every moment. A day in Lisbon is a journey of discovery and connection. It's a celebration of life, full of warmth and wonder. Lisbon's art is everywhere, from building fronts to church floors. Azulejos, which are hand-painted tiles, are like a signature for the city's look. These tiles tell stories and add beauty to everyday life. Lisbon's crafts, like ceramics and cork products, show off its rich culture. Exploring local shops is like a treasure hunt for unique handmade items. Supporting local artists connects you to Lisbon's artistic soul. The city's creativity is woven into its fabric, a testament to its lively culture. In Lisbon, art is easy to find and part of daily life. It's a reminder of the beauty and creativity that define the city. To truly feel the pulse of Lisbon, you have to visit its markets. They're the lively centers of life and community. Mercado da Ribeira offers fresh produce and a cool, modern food hall experience. Neighborhood markets like Mercado de Arroyos give you a traditional, friendly vibe. And the Feira da Ladra flea market is a treasure chest full of interesting finds. Markets are where buying and selling meet, connecting with people, giving you a real taste of authentic Lisbon. They offer a personal, rewarding experience that's way better than just grocery shopping. Chat with the sellers, learn about local products, and soak in the lively atmosphere. Markets are the heart and soul of the community where life truly happens. Visiting a market is a must for a true taste of Lisbon's culture. It's a place that's lively, bustling, and full of wonderful human interaction. Markets are where the real Lisbon comes alive. Did you know Lisbon is older than Rome? It has a history that goes back over 2,700 years. The city's yellow trams aren't just for show. They're a super important part of how people get around, not just for tourists. The crow is a symbol of Lisbon, and it has deep roots in local stories and history. On New Year's Eve, it's a tradition to eat 12 raisins at midnight to make wishes. And those pretty patterned sidewalks, called calçada portuguesa, are actually handmade works of art. Lisbon's culture is super rich, with history, traditions, and unique customs. The city's charm comes from how it mixes the old with the new, creating its own special vibe. Lisbon's traditions and symbols really add a lot of depth to its lively culture. You can find the city's beauty in its everyday life and its special traditions. Learning these fun facts makes exploring Lisbon even more magical. Lisbon, a city that captures your heart and feeds your soul. It's a living, breathing place with its own rhythm. From the soulful tunes of Fado to the joy of a street festival, Lisbon is full of feelings. It's built on culture, family, community, and a love for history and art. Lisbon invites you to slow down, enjoy the moment, and connect with others. The best things in life are simple: a warm pastry, a sunset, a shared laugh. Come to Lisbon with an open heart and a curious mind. Get lost in Alfama, ride the yellow tram and watch the sunset over the red rooftops. Listen to Fado, talk to people, and let the city's magic take hold of you. Lisbon is a treasure waiting to be found, a city that stays with you. You'll dream of its cobblestone streets, its grilled sardines, and the guitars playing in the distance. Feel the saudade, the longing to return, and visit again and again. Until next time, Lisbon. Thanks for everything. It's been delicious.